2x minus 2y minus 2 is equal to 0. 4x minus 4y minus 5 is equal to 0. Here a1 is equal to 2, a2 is equal to minus 2, b1, c1 is equal to minus 2, a2 4, b2 minus 4, c2 minus 5. a1 by a2, 2 by 4, 2 1 ja 2, 2 2 ja 4, that is 1 by 2. b1 by b2, that is minus 2 by minus 4, 2 1 ja 2, 2 2 ja 4, that is 1 by 2. c1 by c2, that is minus 2 minus 5, that is 2 by 5. So here you can see that a1 is equal to b1 by b2 but not equal to c1 by c2. So the pair of equation is inconsistent. So the pair of equation is inconsistent, and inconsistent means it has no solution. Has no solution. Thank you. Thank you.
If you find my video useful, for more videos, subscribe my YouTube channel. Go to my website www.hometuitionlive.com. Thank you. Keep learning. Stay home. Stay safe.